I knew that he was a great machinist. He's a great thinker. He's a great problem solver. And I knew that it was the business side that needed help, just as far as functionality and profitability, instead of, this whole story has been working 100 hours and not like seeing their value, really.
Nick and Tanner have taught themselves how to machine off of YouTube, which is very different. But they were quick to raise their hand and say, let me start a business. Let us start a business. And let me do this with my brother Tanner. And I'm going to do this, and I'm not going to follow conventional ways of learning, but I'm going to take all the information that's on YouTube and social media, and I'm going to apply it, and I'm going to work day and night to make that happen. And that's something that I think all generations can really learn from.
This journey's made us more successful because we can kind of scale. We've built processes around every little detail in our shop that are repeatable and reproducible as we continue to grow.
And to be a very, very small part of what was going on in their relationship and help that become better, it's nice to see them smile and enjoy life together and pick on each other and not just jujitsu kick each other in the shins. It's great to see that, and it was fantastic to be a part of it. But I'm so proud of those guys, and I'm so happy that not just business is getting better, but their personal relationship is going to the next level.